Hi children, hope you're all doing great today. Let us solve some very interesting questions in today's session. So let's get started. So the first question that we are going to be solving is a question on chocolates. All of you likes chocolates, right? So this question is based on two friends who are sharing chocolates. Let's get started. So let's look at the question on chocolates. So this is the question. Rohan has 25 chocolates and Advait has 22 chocolates. Rohan gave 6 chocolates to Advait. How many chocolates does Rohan and Advait have now? So, before you solve a question, always read the question slowly and try to understand what they are trying to say in the question. Now, what is said? Rohan has 25 chocolates and Advait has 22. Now, what is Rohan doing? From this 25 chocolates, he is giving 6 chocolates to Advait. So, how many chocolates does Rohan have now? From the 25 chocolates, you have to remove 6 chocolates, right? Because the 6 chocolates is given to Advait. So how many chocolates will Rohan have now? Rohan will have 25 minus 6. Now what is 25 minus 6? See, 25 minus 5 is 20. Correct? So 25 minus 6 is 19. If you are not able to calculate this in your mind, no worries. You can just write down 25 minus 6 and do the normal subtraction that we do. But remember that you have to practice solving such easy sums in your mind, right? Like the subtraction of 25 minus 6. Going forward, you should not be writing it down in the paper and then solving. You should be able to do it mentally. I know that all of you are little children. It will take you some time to get that, but that is okay. Slowly as we practice, you will be able to do it. Okay. 25 minus 6 is 19. So Rohan now has 19 chocolates. Now, how many chocolates does Advait have now? Earlier Advait has 22 chocolates, but now Rohan has given him 6 more chocolates. So how many chocolates will Advait have? 22 plus 6. What is 22 plus 6? 28. So Advait has 28 chocolates. Now look at the options that's given, right? In such questions, right, especially in competitive exams, you will have options which are given. You just have to choose the correct option. So among these options, which is the right one? Option D is your correct answer. Rohan has 19 chocolates and Advait has 22 chocolates. Very good friends they are, no? They are sharing chocolates with each other. So you should also share chocolate with your friends, okay, if you have lots. Next. Now, the next question that we are going to solve is on shopping. All of us love to go shopping, right, with our parents. So let us see how to approach this question. Okay. This is the question. Shiva goes to the market. He spends 20 rupees on buying a ball and 10 rupees on buying a box. He totally had 100 rupees with him when he left for the market. How much amount does he have now when he comes back from the market? So, see, this is like your mummy is giving you some money, you are going to a shop, you are spending some money, right, on buying stuff, and you have to bring back the balance. So, how much is there? Like that, Shiva has also gone. So, once Shiva has gone, he has spent 20 rupees on buying a ball, 10 rupees on buying a box, and totally he had 100 rupees with him. You have to tell me how much he has remaining. So, how will you find that out? So, you have some amount with you. Out of that amount, you are spending some amount on buying stuff, right? So, first you have to find out what is the total amount that you have spent, right? Out of the 100 rupees, what is the total amount that Shiva has spent? Once you get that, you subtract that amount spent from the total amount that is available with Shiva. You will know how much is remaining with him, correct? Yeah. So, how will you do it? So, what is the cost of the box? The cost of the box is 10 rupees. What is the cost of the ball? The cost of the ball is 20 rupees. So, what is the total cost that Shiva has spent? Shiva has spent 10 plus 20 or 30 rupees. What was the total amount that he had? 100. Correct? So, what is remaining with him? Out of this 100 rupees, he has spent 30 rupees. So, the amount remaining with him will be 100 minus 30 or 70 rupees. So, the correct answer here is option A, 70 rupees. Next question is on money counting. Yeah, by now I'm sure all of you are able to count money. You know, right? What are the denominations that we have in rupees? The latest design in the currencies as well, right? In the notes. Now, let us look at a question on money counting. So, let me see how many of you are able to solve this. What is given here? I have two 5 rupee notes and three 10 rupee notes. Totally, how many rupees do I have? So, how many rupees do you have? You have two 5 rupee notes and three 10 rupee notes. Three 10 rupee notes means one 10 rupee note plus one 10 rupee note plus another 10 rupee notes, right? So, one 10 rupee plus another 10 rupee plus another 10 rupee. Similarly, two 5 rupee note means one 5 rupee note plus another 5 rupee note. So, totally how many rupees do I have? 10 plus 10 plus 10. What is 10 plus 10 plus 10? 30. Don't calculate, don't write down these, right? You don't have to write it down. Without writing it down itself, you can get the answer. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Similarly, what is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. Or what is 30 plus 10? 30 plus 10 is 40. So totally how many rupees do I have? I have totally 40 rupees. So I hope all of you enjoyed the problems that we solved today. So I will see you in the next session. Till then, it's bye-bye.